Hey everybody, it's Sandy from Sandy's Cookbook. We're going to talk about meat for a few minutes here. Uh, Packaged pork chops I bought yesterday that I'm ready to bag up and freeze. If the bigger the package of meat you buy, it's usually cheaper in the long run because they usually charge you a little bit less per pound. I got a family pack here that I'm going to divide up into those size portions and freezer bags, and then I'm gonna stick them in the freezer. Show you how to do it real quick. Alright, being open. Turn the package open. It's freezer bags right here. What you do is open it up. Put here how many you want to put in it. Then you want to try to make sure you get all the air out. Take all the air out of your bag. Fill it up. And set it aside. And when I get done with this, I'll get done with all these, I'll label them. Put what kind of meat it is and today's date on it. And there's another bag. Stick it in here. Fill it out. Try to get all the air out of it as you can. Fill it up. Okay, I'm not going to bag these up. They're going to be for dinner tonight. I'm going to put them in the crock pot once I get this video done. You buy your meat, like I said, you buy your meat in family packs, it's usually cheaper in the long run because they usually charge you less per pound. And like I just showed, bring it home and divide it up into meal side portions. And you can stick it in the freezer and take it out of your freezer whenever you thaw it out, whenever you decide to cook it. Like I said, these last 4 here, I'm going to stick in a crock pot, so I'm not going to freeze them. I'm going to redo that once I get done with this video. That's a good way to save money on meat, and freezing it's not that hard. So you just stick it in your freezer bags, make sure you get all the air out of it. You make sure you label what kind of meat you got in it and the date, which I'll take care of a few minutes here off camera. This is Sandy from Sandy's Cookbook. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Hope you have a good day.